EOSC, we are establishing the EOSC Federation of Nodes, and part of that are domain-specific nodes. In this session, we bring together experts from different domains to discuss the readiness of their domains and to see how far the communities are ready to enter the EOSC Federation of Nodes. We cover organizational, technical, and financial aspects. The audience has a chance to develop a better understanding of the Federation of Nodes. They can learn from others about the readiness of their communities, and by that, they will be able to judge their own readiness for the EOSC Federation. They will be able to learn, but also to participate in the discussions by contributing questions. After the session, hopefully, they are able to promote the EOSC Federation to their own communities, so to facilitate the entering of the EOSC Federation in a later stage. This word in German I came up for our own domain is Forschungsdatenmanagement Lebenszyklusphase. In English, this would be Research Data Management Life Cycle Stage. It actually has 42 letters, so it's a pretty long word.